Guys, welcome to another evening vlog. Hope you guys are doing well. Happy Easter Sunday to you all. So welcome to another cooking vlog. So today's video we are having mrenda. This is mrenda. Yeah, and this is our onions, and this is our tomatoes. So let's get right to the video. So today I want to show you guys how to cook mrenda together with the fish in one pot. Yeah, so that is our pan. Our pan is on. So we go ahead and put my cooking oil. Yeah, that is enough. Punguzie kelele. Yes. Nipunguzie noise wewe. Nipunguzie. So our salt. Daddy, ni nini toka kwa pepe baba? Hapa ni pepe. Hiyo ni kifuniko ya pen. So guys, this is our fish. Like I said, we are going to cook fish and mrenda in one pot. In any way. Dylan. So guys, our onions is getting ready, and this is our fish. Yeah, our fish. In other words, you can also boneless your fish, but this one now they have dried it a lot. It is over dried, so the meat is dry. But if you buy your own fish, and then when you're deep frying it, don't over dry it, then the meat can be flexible to remove from it. Or if you have many kids in the house, little kids, you have to boneless the fish so that it can be easy for kids to eat that. So this is how mine is, and when I'm giving the baby fish, I'm going to be careful with it. Always don't give the baby's fish to eat alone. The fish that has bones, if you are a parent, take note. So our tomatoes. Okay. So then after that, you can put the spices that you want to put. Yeah. And then after you put your spices, you cover your tomatoes so that it can cook nicely and evenly, so that your tomatoes can be evenly cooked without the ngumu hapo. Yes. So today we are having this mrenda and fish stew with rice. So you can also try it out on your own. But anyways, if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, kindly go ahead and click on the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Remember, in this channel I'll be showing, I'm only cooking, showing the cooking, whatever, the cooking videos for those cooking beginners, for those ones who don't know how to cook this, for those who don't know how to cook simple foods. These are the videos that I'm posting for you guys. If you don't know how to cook, if you're starting to know how to cook, maybe how to fry water, how to cook ugali, maybe how to boil rice, how to fry rice, this channel is okay for you. So don't forget to subscribe, okay? Yeah. So after that, My tomatoes is cooked. Let me get it closer. My tomatoes is cooked, so I go ahead and put my mrenda. You can see that. Wewe hapa ni pepe daddy. Hey! So I have put my mrenda. That is how it is. Without putting any soup. I haven't put the soup yet. But maybe I will add little soup. Just little. So that the fish can cook and bring the nice taste. Yeah. So this is the water. Make sure you don't put a lot of water. Just put little. Remember, you can put the spices of your own if you love food that has a lot of spices. You can put your own spices. All right. Me, I don't like too many spices. I'm used to. You add the salt. If the salt is not enough, you add. After that, go ahead and put your fish. And that's okay. Reduce your heat, your gas. Reduce the flame from your gas. And then you cover your saucepan. Please make sure to cover your saucepan so that the aroma will remain inside. Yeah. So guys, this is after the minutes. Now it's ready. You see that? Ready to be eaten. Oh yeah. So let's off our gas and serve the food. Ebu nyamaza haraka. Bye guys. See you on the next video. Bye.